Hi. Today we're going to tell you about 3 effective tips and tricks to improve your PPC campaign. In the first part of this video, we have analyzed the main tips on how to improve your PPC advertising. Today we will analyze the other important points. Let's get started. Pay-per-click, PPC, marketing is one of the quickest ways to generate more leads for your business, but only if done the right way. Unfortunately, many advertisers waste the money they invested in online ads because of some very common mistakes. This then leads them to start thinking that PPC marketing is not the right method for them, but in reality, just a bit of tweaking on their process can help improve their performance. Know the appropriate budget. Another challenge advertisers face when creating their pay-per-click ad is wasted budget. Start small and watch out for the opportunities that will encourage additional spending. If you see that the numbers are growing towards the KPIs and your goals, then you will know the right time to spend more. Always set the right landing pages. If you do not want your efforts to get wasted, make sure that everything about the campaign was well thought out, from the research to targeting, and up until the final landing page that will define what the clickers need to do next. When users click your ad, and your chosen landing page does not let you achieve your purpose, it becomes a missed opportunity. To make sure your investment will reap you benefits, consult with PPC management experts as soon as possible. Discover My Business is a pay-per-click advertising agency with a PPC strategy that can provide you with a 30 to 70% conversion rate. Contact us today so we can help you grow your business. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.